Hello, how you doing? Not going to keep you long today. Simple, classic chicken, corn, mayo. So what we've got here is 2 cups of cooked chicken, 1 cup of corn, 1 cup of mayo, and then a little bit of onion I like chopped in there. You could use green onion if you want, if you don't want it so strong. A little bit of parsley, and then a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and I've got some spicy paprika there, like a hot paprika. Nothing could be easier. In a bowl, give it a mix, job done. I am going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Yeah, you know, if you want, add a few other little bits in here, but very simple. Stick this in a sandwich, make a salad out of it. You know the score, don't you? Easy peasy. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.